Hey everybody, so we got another Milwaukee tool unboxing to do, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is going to be the last unboxing for today. This is the Milwaukee M12 compact inflator, part number 2475-20T as in Tony. This is the one that they discontinued. It's technically says new on the box, but it looks like my Home Depot is not receiving these anymore, and it's because this one comes with the M12 red lithium CP 2.0 battery, and it comes with a charger and a portable power source, which both of these items are $59 a piece. So just a compact 2.0 is $59 on its own, and then the portable power and source and charger is $59 with the wall adapter and the USB to micro, USB-A to micro, USB micro cord. The inflator, if you got the inflator by itself, it's $89. This part number 2475-20T, it actually brings up the inflator with an XC extended 4.0 battery. This one actually comes with basically you can charge M12 batteries with it. You can charge a device, your phone or whatever you'd like to charge with the charger, and it comes with a compact 2.0. I couldn't pass this up for $109. When you look at just the battery and the compact charger and portable power source by itself, it's $120 right there. That doesn't include the inflator, and I got basically a battery and another power source, and I basically got the $89 inflator, in my opinion, for free. So let's get this unboxed. See everything that comes in the box. One thing I noticed, I do like Milwaukee's packaging. Everything that I've bought, their packaging is pretty amazing. And it's been raining here all day too, so I've been driving in the rain all day. The inflator booklet. This is the booklet for the portable power source and charger, as well as the booklet for the battery. Here is the battery. Right here. It is the red lithium CP 2.0. Put that right there. Here's the power brick for the charger. Here is a couple other booklets, M12 and M18. The inflator. Here is the Milwaukee cable for the power source. And I have to admit, these, even though they're micro, I do like these cables. Very nicely braided. Milwaukee, if you guys watch this video, I would love to see you guys use a USB 3.0 A port, and maybe come out with this cable in a USB-C instead of just the micro. That would be nice to see. There's the cable. the secondary power source. So now I have two of them. Nice. And then the inflator. Take the bag off the inflator. Here's the inflator. This is everything that came in the box, including all the instructions. I was just using, for my portable power source, I was using a blue 3.0A port to a USB-C cable, because me and my wife both have Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5Gs. So this way, if we need to go somewhere, we can both take one of these and then, you know, put a battery on it, or one of these 3s or a 6, just in case. So it's got the adapters and everything on the back, which is the other accessories it comes with. Cable's nicely wrapped. Turn it on. Positive PSI, negative. Push this to inflate. It's not quiet, but it will do the trick if you need to. I'll leave a link up here, a card up here, not a link, but a card to Project Farm. He did a video. He recommends this Milwaukee M12 inflator for anybody that needs to inflate anything no higher than 40 psi in a quick and timely manner. And then I will also be doing a review on this compared to the DeWalt's 20 volt max inflator. And Project Farm, which I will leave a card up here for Project Farm, as well as a card up here for Project Farm's video, particularly about these inflators. The 20 volt max DeWalt inflator he recommends for anybody that needs to inflate constantly to higher than 40 psi. So we're going to be doing a review on this. Hopefully it'll be an in-depth review, but I could not pass up getting the battery and these 3 items that come with the portable power source / charger. This is $120 right here in my hand. I only paid $110 for this inflator. So I basically got the inflator for free. Or you could look at it as I paid $10 extra on the battery or $10 extra on the portable power source, and I got the inflator for free. Because the inflator by itself is $89. So I couldn't pass it up. I thought it was a great deal. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Go check out Project Farm. I will leave his information in the cards above, up in the top right hand corner. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Comments, criticisms down below. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links if I did not say that already. If I did, I apologize. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.